Assalamu alaikum, I'm Asma. Today I'm gonna share a quick and easy recipe of jelly. For this you will need 1 cup of water and a packet of strawberry jelly. Usually it is written on packet that you should make jelly in 2 cup of water or 200 ml, but it never goes right. You should only take a cup of water, let it boil. When it gets boiled, off your flame, add jelly powder and mix it really well. Now it is done. Dish out it. Let it cool. It will take 15 to 20 minutes to get hardened. It gets hard. Jelly is completely ready to cut, to serve. Cut it with knife. Now use a spatula to take jellies out in a bowl. Jelly is ready to serve. You can add it in trifles and any other desserts or sweet dishes, and it can be eaten as it is. Children tend to like it so much. If you like this recipe, then click on like button and comment me and let me know did you like this recipe, and share it with your family and friends and people you care, and subscribe for further recipes. Thank you so much.